Looking for the best hand crank blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 hand crank blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. GSI Outdoors Vortex Blender. Pros: 1.5 liter pitcher made from durable Lexan resin. Made of plastic, metal, and stainless steel. Cordless and battery-free. 2-speed gear system. Pour-through locking lid. C-clamp secures base to table. Cons: blends liquids well and chops softer foods, but hard vegetables and ice cubes are problematic. Bottom line: clamp this blender to your table for fresh smoothies and other beverages when you're camping or tailgating. At number 2. Momugs 8-cup red food processor, manual hand-powered crank. Pros: 8-cup capacity. BPA-free. Made from food-safe ABS resin. Intended for use with vegetables, fruits, meat, and nuts. Easy to clean. Comes with metal blade and plastic dough mixer. Cons: no way to affix to the counter, so it may slide around during use. Bottom line: this large, 8-cup blender can handle almost anything you can fit in it. It's best for use with vegetables, fruits, and walnuts. At number 1. Ultra Chef Express Food Chopper 7-in-1 chopper, mixer, blender, whipper, slicer, shredder, and juicer. Pros: 5-cup bowl. Triple chopping blade made of surgical stainless steel. Anti-skid base. Handle and pouring spout. Comes with 3 mandolin inserts, whipping blade, egg white separator, storage lid, juicer insert, safety food holder and recipe book. Food safety holder grips. BPA free. Cons: do not put in the dishwasher. Requires a lot of force to turn, which can sometimes break the chopper. Bottom line: this 5-cup blender comes with loads of extras to simplify your time in the kitchen. Just be sure not to put it in the dishwasher. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.